Welcome back to Chessie's Toy Club. Do you know your ABCs? Today we're going to learn the alphabet and play with these toy letters. Let's go have some fun and let's keep the good times rolling. Let's go! Red letter A. A. Airplane. Alligator. Ready, set, go! Pink, letter B. B. Bicycle. Basket. Ready, set, go! Orange C. C. Crab. Computer. Ready, set, go! Yellow D. D. Drum. Dog. Ready, set, go! Green E. E. Elephant. Email. Ready, set, go! Green F. F. Flamingo. Fish. Ready, set, go! Blue G. G. Giraffe. Guitar. Ready, set, go! Blue H. H. Horse. Hamburger. Ready, set, go! Red I. I. Ice cream. Insect. Ready, set, go! Pink J. J. Jellyfish. Jump. Ready, set, go! Orange K. K. Kangaroo. Kick. Ready, set, go! Yellow L. L. Lemon lime. Laundry. Ready, set, go! Green M. M. Music. Milk. Ready, set, go! Green N. N. Ninja. Nighttime. Ready, set, go! Blue O. O. Octopus. Owl. Ready, set, go! Blue P. P. Pancakes. Penguin. Ready, set, go! Red Q. Q. Quiet. Question? Ready, set, go! Pink, R. R. Rope, rocket. Ready, set, go! Orange, S. S. Strawberry, slide. Ready, set, go! Yellow, T. T. Train, tree. Ready, set, go! Green, U. U. Umbrella, ukulele. Ready, set, go! Green, V. V. Vegetables, vacuum. Ready, set, go! Blue, W. W. Water, whistle. Ready, set, go! Blue, X. X. Xylophone, X-ray. Ready, set, go! Red, Y. Y. Yogurt, yo-yo. Ready, set, go! Pink, Z. Z. Zipper, zebra. Ready, set, go, Z! Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to videos and keep watching other ones for more toy fun.